Okay, we have modified the IRTS soldering template. We got rid of the steel stencil because A, it was really expensive with the tariffs from JLC, and B, we decided we could print something like this, which is going to basically be a tray. So we're going to take our FSI connector after we fill this up with solder paste and flux, and we're going to line up the holes, and we're going to dip it into this, and then we're going to set it in position, and then we are going to solder it down with our heat gun that we have right here. So that's what we're going to do, and I'll show you how easy this is. So the first things first, let's go ahead and get some paste in here. Be real generous with this. It should go right across. It's okay if you get it outside the lines, no problem. But I've got a divot in there for you, so we can get that in there. Okay. And now what we're going to do, we're going to take some of this liquid flux, take this off, put a little bit in there. There we go. Now we're going to take our FSI connector here. We're going to push it into the holes here, and we're going to press it into the solder and the flux. We're going to move it back and forth a little bit, and we're going to pull this off. We're going to scoop up a little more on these pins. Like this. And then we're going to take this and we're going to put it into the guides that are on the PCB. Move this off to the side. Now we're going to take a regular socket, okay, so you don't burn yourself. We're going to heat up the gun here. I'm going to heat this up to about 455 with some hot air. Then what we're going to do, since we get there, we're going to use the socket to apply some gentle pressure here so that this doesn't rise up. And then we're going to get down in there and we're going to heat it up. And you'll know when it's right because everything will turn silver when it connects, when it heats up all the rest of the way. So just kind of hold it on there, heat it across. Okay, after we do that, now we're going to take this and move it. And we're going to hit it from the other side with our solder, or our socket, so we don't burn ourselves. There we go. And if everything is right, this will be on. There you go.